Meanwhile, the opposition People's National Party PNP says it will be assessing its loss at the polls in southeast St. Mary.
The PNP won the Southeast St. Mary constituency in 4 of the last 5 general elections, and with the results of Monday's by-election not in their favor, the party will be analyzing what went wrong in the 4 divisions, and Notabay, Belfield, Richmond and Castleton.
To look at the numbers in each of the divisions and the polling divisions, and whether there were national issues or constituency-specific issues. So we're going to undertake that analysis and have some empirical data as the basis on which we made the assessment.
So will Dr. Shane Alexis remain as caretaker for the constituency, which is now in the hands of the JLP's Dr. Norman Dunn?
He has endeared himself to the constituents and the constituency, and I think the constituency would certainly want him to continue, and I think he would be so disposed as well to continue and doing the work and building on the foundation that he has built in the last 6 weeks.
As long as I am the caretaker for the constituency, I look forward to working with him in a constructive manner. Politics really has no place in people's lives day to day. Internet access, training for youth, opportunities for young people in particular, but as well as remembering that many senior citizens are having a difficult time, not just for the economic issues that we all face, but certain services like post offices being closed and not having a contact point to receive their pensions and having to travel very far on bad roads. And
he was also pleased with his campaign and willingness as a young professional to contribute to the political process. Meanwhile, many argue that the citizenship of Dr. Alexis played a role in his defeat at the polls. Even though it's legal for Commonwealth nationals to sit in Parliament, some insist that such persons should also have Jamaican citizenship. Dr. Alexis, who has been living in Jamaica for decades, has since made the requisite application, but the PNP says it also has to improve its vetting process.
Going forward, one of the lessons that as a political organization in the due diligence and the requirements that a prospective candidate would have to do will have to be clear at the very beginning so we know that information.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.